Hey there, grade 5. Hope everybody is doing well. I wanted to put this together to help you out with our first week, or I guess second week assignment here, which is putting together our Morning Mood, the song that we were preparing just before the holiday as one of our concert songs. So this is a review for the fingerings and the notes that are all the way through the 3 different sections of Morning Mood. We're going to work through those 3 sections, and then at the end we'll put it all together. The advantage of having a video like this is that you can always go back and listen to these parts again as many times as you need to feel comfortable with all of the notes and fingerings that are in the song. So please go back and restart areas that you need to work through again and again and again, and put it all together, and then you use the second video on the website, which is the play along with the piano, to put your own recording together, and that's the recording that you're going to send to me as our assignment for this week. Okay, so let's jump right in to the music. The first 2 lines are the same, right? Lines 1 and 2 are the same idea, and these ones pretty much just focus on your open A, your second finger F sharp, your first finger E, and down to our open D, right? So thinking of those 4 notes, open A, second finger F, first finger E, and open D, we have on this first line your A, F, E, D, E, F, A, F, E, D. Here's your 8th notes, E, F, goes up to A, F, A, and that B was your first finger on the A string, B, F, B, and then back down, A, F, E, D. Alright, there's your line 1, and also your line 2, so that gets us through lines 1 and 2 already. Okay, continuing on, let's go to line 3. This is rehearsal letter A, or line 3, measure 17. It starts on your high D, and high D was, if we remember, all the way up to 3rd finger on the A string. So there's your high D on 3rd finger of the A string. This one mostly uses your high D, your first finger B, and your open A crosses over to 3rd finger G, 3rd finger G. So those are mostly the notes that we're going to have in here. As we work through line number 3, your high D to start, 3rd finger D, is going to be D, B, A, cross to G. Back up, A, B, D, B, A, G. Here's your 8th notes, A, B, back up to D, D, B, D. Cross over to the E string here. Here's your highest string, your open E, E, B, E, and back down from your 3rd finger D, D, B, A, G, and that gets you all the way through your line 3. Line 4 is essentially the same. If you remember back to class, the only thing that changes is the last note of line 4. It's all the same up until you get to that F sharp, and your F sharp, if you remember, was first finger now on the E string, so you're up to your F sharp. Okay, let's put all of that line 4 together, so you have one chance to play straight through that, and then we'll move on to the last section. So again, from your 3rd finger high D of line 4, we start with D, B, A, G, A, B, D, B, A, G, A, B, A, B, D, B, D, E, B, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Okay, that gets you all the way through your line 4. So we're through lines 1, 2, 3, and 4 so far. Alright, let's move to line number 5, or rehearsal letter B, measure 33. Similar idea here, lots of repetition. This line uses your open E to start, goes down to C sharp, 2nd finger, C sharp, 1st finger B, and your open A. Just those 4 notes. Okay, so talking through line number 5 here, starting on your open E. Again, on line number 5, I have here E, C, B, A, B, C, B, C, E, C, B, there's all of your line 5. Now essentially that's everything, right? When you get to lines 6 and 7, remember that those are just the same as the beginning. Those last 2 lines are the same as the first 2 lines. So that's all of our content there. So let's go straight through it once, a little bit slow here. And this is a great section to practice a few times through to make sure you've really got the hang of it, and then you can move on to video number 2, which has only the piano. So we don't have to listen to Mr. Derek try and sing the notes while you are playing along with the piano on that second video. Okay, here we are straight through our morning mood. We'll help you out with notes and fingers here one last time from the beginning. Here's the whole song. Open A to begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, a 2, and 3. A, F, E, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, A, B, F, B, A, F, E, D. Here's line 2. A, F, E, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, A, B, F, B, A, F, E, D. Here's line 3. D, B, A, G, A, B, D, B, A, G, A, B, A, B, D, B, D, D, B, E, D, B, A, G. Once again. D, B, A, G, A, B, D, B, A, G, A, B, A, B, D, B, D, D, B, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, and line 5. E, C, B, A, B, C, B, C, E, C, B, A, B, C, B, C, E, C, B, E, C, B, E, C, B, E, and letter C. A, F, E, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, A, F, A, B, F, B, A, F, E, D. Now the last line. A, F, E, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, A, B, F, B, A, F, E, D. All right, I hope that's helpful for you. Please go back and use that section as much as you need. Slow down the video even if you need. And again, when you're ready, move on to the video number 2 with the piano. Record yourselves on that one and send that video in to me. Looking forward to seeing your videos. Hope everybody's doing well, and see you again very soon.